Okay, let's look at the division algorithm again. We're going to start really basic, and I want you to write down everything that's happening. Pause the video if you need to, rewind it, and figure out why I'm doing what I'm doing. Okay, now, let's do a 48 divided by 3. Okay, now I know you could do this with multiplication and you'd be done really quick, but I want you to do it using division because I want you to learn how to do it with the algorithm. When you divide with the algorithm, you only look at one place value at a time. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to divide the 4 by the 3. How many 3's are in 4? Well, that would be 1. The next thing you're going to do is multiply that 1 by 3. So you multiply the 1 times 3, and you're going to write your answer under the 4. So 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, and now you're going to subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. And now you're going to divide again. But see, you can't divide this 1 by the 3, so you need to bring down the 8. If I could have divided this 1 by the 3, that means I would have needed to do something more up here. But I can't, so I'm going to bring down my 8. And now I'm going to repeat all over again. I'm going to start with divide. Divide the 18 by the 3, which is 6. Multiply 6 times 3, which is 18. Subtract 18 from 18, and I get 0. So I don't have a remainder, and my answer is 16. Okay. All right. Now let's do another one. We're going to leave our steps over here. You notice on the board we have dinosaurs, which is D, make, which is multiply, super, which is subtract, big donuts, which is bring down, repeatedly, which is do it all over again. It's kind of like PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Well, this is divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. All right. Let's try another one. Let's do 98 divided by 8. Okay, again, you're looking at just the first digit. So divide. We're dividing 9 by 8. Well, I know that I can only multiply one time to get me as close to 9 as I can. So 8 times 1 is 8. I'm going to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now, after I subtract, I bring down the 8, and I'm going to divide 18 by 8. So how many 8s are there in 18? Well, there's 2. It's as close as I can get. Multiply 2 by 8, and that gets me 16. With 2 left over. Since there are no other numbers to bring down, I'm done, but I need to remember to bring my 2 up as remainder 2. So 98 divided by 8 is 12 with a remainder of 2. Okay. Make sure that you totally understand that before you move on in the video. All right. So what happens if we've got 293 divided by 6? Okay, well, the first thing I need to do is divide. I need to divide 2 by 6, and I can't do that. How many 6's are in 2? That would be none. So I'm going to put just a 0 over the top of the 2 to remind myself that I have already tried to divide that. And then I'm going to go over, so now that I am dividing 29 by 6. Now, how many 6's are in 29? Well, there's 5 beats 30, so it's 4. And notice my 4 is over the top of my 9. That's because I'm dividing 29 and not just 2. All right, so now I need to multiply. 6 times 4 gets me 24. Okay, and now I'm on the subtract. 29 minus 24 is 5. And I'm going to bring down the 3. All right, 53 divided by 6. Well, I know 6 times 8 is 48. And 6 times 9 is 54. So that's going to be 8. And remember, it's over the top of the 3. So 6 times 8 is not 88, it's 48. Subtract, which gives me 5. And I have nothing else to bring down, so that 5 is my remainder. Which doesn't seem like it likes to write very well in that pink. 48 remainder 5 is my answer. Now, we're going to try another one. After I write it down, I want you to try it alone first. If you're not comfortable, you need to go back and watch the steps. All right, you're going to do 642 divided by 9. 642 divided by 9. So pause the video and work it out right now, and then come back and compare our steps. All right, so divide 6 divided by 9 can't happen. So I know I need to move over to the 64. I'm going to put my 0 up above there. 64 divided by 9 is 7. 7, and then I know I need to multiply times 9, is 63. 7 times 9 is 63, and I know I'm going to subtract that. All right, 64 minus 63 is 1. And now I've done the subtract, so now it's time to bring down the 2. All right, 12 divided by 9 can only do 1. And that gives me 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. There's nothing left to bring down. I have a remainder of 3. So if you got 71, remainder 3, woohoo, go you. If you didn't, we need to figure out why. All right, that's the end of this video. You'll go on to the second video.